Hi, I'm Oluwaseun Odulano. As a people and culture manager at Enyata, I get to do some really cool stuff. Essentially, my job is to help create a workplace where people don't just work, they thrive, feel valued, and also are excited about the job they do here at Enyata. I am all about keeping things professional but also human. It is important to me that everyone knows that they belong and are part of something bigger, something innovative and inspiring. And honestly, that is the best part of my job. In a fast-paced tech environment, innovation comes from not just technical skills, but from great character, collaboration, creativity, and a sense of belonging. The People and Culture team focuses on a culture that encourages risk-taking and learning, where challenges are seen as part of the growth process and successes are celebrated together. Also, we have implemented several key initiatives to ensure that our team thrives in a supportive environment, such as flexible work arrangements, regular team bonding activities, learning and development opportunities. We celebrate our wins with a reward system in place and, of course, mental health support, which is very important. We prioritize well-being by providing mental health resources, regular check-ins, and promoting work-life balance. We believe that a healthy mind leads to a better work and happier teams. At the end of the day, when employees feel empowered both personally and professionally, they deliver their best work.
My name is Titilope Macaulay and I'm the partnerships lead. My work is revenue operations, and that entails managing operations around customer acquisition and customer retention. So I work with the sales team. I also work with the marketing team to not just define business goals or directions. I also work with them and collaborate with them to manage strategy and execution. I also collaborate with the customer success team to not just track retention, but also draw insights from the data to improve recurring income. And also lastly, with the community management team to ensure that the work that they do support our business goals. One of the things that set us apart as a development company is that we care. I know that is cliche, but Enyata is a company that goes to great length to ensure that every single thing that we promise is actually what we delivered. And this gives our sales team the confidence to interact and work with companies, with enterprise companies, knowing fully well that Enyata will back up the promises that they've made. Your business goals are our priority, and whatever project comes in has to go out. And these are not just words to us. We back it up with actions. We take the risk completely off you, and we ensure that payment is only made after each milestone in the project is delivered. No upfront payments and zero risk of you working with a partner who would slow down or even take off after you've just made a bulk payment. We are inspired by your innovations and your brilliance. And so as we strive to deliver enterprise level software and solutions, we ensure that there is ease of collaboration between you, our clients and partners, and our product team.
Hi everyone, my name is Barakat with a T, Barakat, and I'm the product lead here at Enyata, and I'll be taking you through some of our processes and how we ensure product delivery. Enyata juggles various projects at once as a software development company, and each comes with its various challenges and goals. I'm telling you, we build custom softwares and also improve existing software for clients. And to effectively manage this, we employ the Agile methodology and Scrum frameworks. This gives us the flexibility to adapt to specific needs of each project because they come with different challenges, while also maintaining the structural framework. Here, we have 3 phases before we start a project. The first one is the planning phase, the second one is the execution phase, and the third one is the support phase. So I was speaking about the first phase first. This is where we sit down with our clients to understand what they're trying to build. We have comprehensive meetings to understand the project requirements. We do our research with the client just so we understand what we are trying to do. Yeah, so we're able to outline the scope of the project, the goals of the project, the timeline of the project, and we're able to put all of them in a milestone document that lists out the features and things we want to do, and we're able to put the timeline for them. This gives us a clear roadmap on how long the project is going to take us and what needs to be done for each month. So the second phase is the execution phase, and this is where the development starts. So at this phase, we come up with a design, we share with the client, we have various calls on it to see the things that needs to be adjusted, we take the feedback and they give the approval. It's when they give the approval that we now start implementation. So implementation is done by the development team, and when that is done, we have a demo with the client. So we have demos with clients for each of the milestones that we work on. However, before the demo, we have meetings with clients every week to show them the progress of where we currently are, what we've done so far, just so that we are all aligned. Scrum ceremonies are an integral part of our processes, daily stand-up, sprint review, sprint retrospect. We make sure we go through all that so that we can assess our progress and also improve on the things we're working on. The support period is the last phase of the project, and this is after we've deployed the project to the production environment. We stay behind for the client to test with the real users for a certain duration of time and to make sure the production environment is stable for users to use before we hand over properly to the client. Product success is the team's effort. So we have various teams that come in place to make sure we deliver a seamless product. From the sales team that brings in the project, to the product team, to the engineering team, to brands and marketing, to the customer success team. So it's a whole lot of team members that come together. And what we've done is to make sure each member of the team understand their role and what they're supposed to do at every point in time, so there's clear communication.
Hey guys, my name is Okoyemi Manuel. I'm a product designer at Enyata, and I also lead the product design team. We design products ranging from mobile app development and also web app and all of those things called digital that you can see outside there. And also we have some guidelines, or let me say process that we follow in developing a product, or let me say in designing a product. And one of them is empathy. Empathy is just simply you putting yourself in the shoes of the user, where so that you can be able to pinpoint the pain, or let me say the problem they're actually facing. And also from there we move to what we call divine. Then we divine every of the problems that we have gathered via interviews, questionnaires and research and every other thing. So we are able to come up with our problem statement that gives us a clear direction of whatever problem we are solving. And then from there we move to what we call ideation. Ideation is when we come together as a team, then we come up with different solutions for the problem that we are solving for our users. And from there we're able to streamline all of our solutions to one or two, so that we can stay focused in the solution we are giving to our users. And also from there we call something prototype, which is like the next stage. Prototype is where we put out a form of product, but not a let me say built product. We put it in the face of our users, and then they interact with it, so that we can also get some other details, so that we can come up with a better solution. And then from prototype, it ranges from companies. Some companies do what we call paper prototype, and they build paper phones, and they put all of the design in form of paper, and the user can actually interact with them and see. And from there we'll be able to look at how people, or let me say our users, interact with our product, whether it is seamless or there are other things that we need to actually incorporate into our design before we give a final product. When we build the product, and there's something we do before we actually launch the product, that's what we call testing. And testing is when we bring the actual product that we have designed to our users, and they test, or we test it and see if there is anything we need to add, and to see whether it is seamless enough for them, whether it is actually solving the problem they are facing. A lot of thought process has been put into the product before we can bring it out into usable form. That is what we do as a design team at Enyata.
As a software development company, the engineering team is the backbone of the entire company as a whole. Every product that comes through the company needs to be well engineered with proper standards before the product goes out to production, and actionable products for people to use out there. There are a lot of processes that we go through in order to bring those products to life. First of all, the planning phase, involving the interpretation of the FRD, which is the functional requirement document, interpreting them into actionable documents that we can use. With the FRD, we're able to produce database diagrams, we're able to produce entity relationship diagrams, we're able to produce actual technical requirements documents that the clients can actually use. Giving all this information to the client, we have everything that the client needs to know and understand about the product itself before we start development. And then we go through certain phases like sprint plannings and plan the process of at which we're going to implement this particular product. And in the end of the day, we have a full-fledged product that goes out there, and you can use taking into account a few things that are necessary that for products to be standard in a lot of ways, which are security, usability, and friendliness to users as well, and user interfaces and all that. We are able to engineer them properly. As engineers, all we really do is give you solutions. Give us a problem and we'll find the solution to your problem. Tell us exactly what the problem you're trying to solve is, and then we engineer a solution for you.
My name is Enyata. I lead the quality assurance engineering team at Enyata. We have a team of QA professionals that are responsible for ensuring that every product that is released meets the set requirements and is also defect-free. We are involved in the entire process, from the requirement analysis to design reviews, sprint planning, and also to the actual testing after development has been done. And the QA team has been able to ensure that every product that we release has been thoroughly tested and every defect identified gets resolved before it is released to the market. This way we have been able to achieve products that have succeeded in the market over time.
Hello, I am Watala, the Customer Success Manager here at Enyata. At Enyata, our Customer Success team plays a pivotal role in shaping our clients' journey. We act as the bridge between our clients and the full potential of our services. And because we understand this, right from the point of onboarding, we take the time to understand each of our clients' unique needs and objectives, and then we go on to tailor our approach and also provide personalized support to them based off of what their goals are. We educate them on what our offerings are and how they can best utilize it to fulfill their business goals. To ensure their success, we engage in proactive communication, regular check-ins, and we also offer data-driven insights on how to maximize the full value of our service. We look out for our clients by anticipating challenges before they arise, and we also provide solutions before they become an obstacle. Our goal is to empower our clients to leverage Enyata's solution fully, driving their success and ensuring that they see tangible results from our partnership. Building and maintaining strong relationships with our clients is a core principle of our customer success strategy. We believe that trust and open communication are the foundation of a successful partnership. We strive to establish a rapport with our clients, ensuring that they feel heard and valued all the way. At Enyata, we don't see ourselves merely as a service provider, but as a partner in our clients' success. This mindset drives us to nurture these relationships, ensuring that our clients not only achieve their goals, but also feel supported and confident every step of the way.